Not all work was created equal, and if you find the work that's actually going to push the needle, the important work you actually need to get done, as I'll teach you in this video, you'll get a competitive advantage against your competition in business, education and fitness, as you'll be getting the work that's actually needed to get done in terms of your progression in the endeavour you're trying to succeed in, completed in a more efficient, effective and of course productive manner. Hello, I'm Dylan, I'm 18 and I coach unproductive people to turn productive using tactical techniques and strategies that have changed my life forever. I personally went from a video gamer who spent 5,000 hours or 210 days straight wasting away my life and potential on something that was keeping me stuck in the position I was in. However, turned my life around to spend my time productively, efficiently and effectively breezing through large banks of my work, using the tactical techniques and strategies like I'll teach you in this video to find the important tasks. Any progression you want to make, any grades you want to achieve, any physique goal you have in your mind can be done and completed in a more tactical manner if you understand the work that's actually going to progress you. You think about the Pareto principle. 20% of the work you're completing is actually giving you 80% of the results you receive. So finding this work that's going to push the needle, finding this major task is going to be really important, almost crucial for your progression in a productive and time efficient manner. So let's get into it. There's 3 steps. There's a 3-step formula to finding the important tasks. First, find the weak link. If you are in education and you're revising and you're incredibly good at physics, but you're awful at biology, which has more leverage in terms of what you should focus on? It's the biology, because you're not good at it. However, people get in this rut, people get in this cycle, this loop of mental masturbation in the regard that they only revise the things they're good at, the things that feel good. When you do this physics question, it feels really good when you complete it because you've got 100% in the past paper you're revising. Is that a tactical use of your time? And the answer is no, because you're not actually progressing. It feels good, it feels self-soothing knowing that you can do physics really well, but until you tackle the actual problem that is going to progress your grades in total and the average grade you get, you're still going to be stagnant in that rut and that pit of negativity because you're not focusing on the tasks that need to get done. Whether it's business, you're incredible at selling, you can speak to the camera and easily, comprehensively, effectively sell your product and your conversion rate's incredible. But if you suck at marketing, then no one's going to come your way. You're not going to have people come to your door to sell to because you're awful at the skill of marketing. So what's the most valuable thing to focus on? Marketing, because your selling skill is already top level. Your selling skills up here, your marketing's down here. You need them both to be on equilibrium in terms of the skill you've developed. So what is the higher leverage task? What's the more major, important task you need to get done? Marketing. So the first step is to find the weakest link. What are you bad at? What you should prioritize. And if you're really struggling to find your weakest link and it's not obvious to you, you've thought about it, or it doesn't come to your mind immediately, you can either work with me one-on-one in the description, which will take you to my productivity package to change your life forever using the tactical techniques and strategies I've learned from my almost 2 years of productivity, self-improvement and coaching people to turn productive. Or you can just ask AI. We're in this contemporary age where you can sit down, open your phone, open ChatGPT and get every solution to every problem you have in the realm of self-improvement. So what you need to do is ask AI, what is my weakest link? It'll take you through the trials and tribulations, the questions to get this context on the endeavor you're trying to succeed in, and it'll give you the answer. And this takes us into the second step. Now we know the weakest link, it's time to stop wasting time on the strongest link. Again, the guy who's really good at selling but sucks at marketing now needs to focus on marketing. He needs to free up the time to be able to put it into the marketing development so he can actually make sales to the people he wants to sell to. Because he's insane at selling, sucks at marketing, so he needs to free up time to improve the marketing skill until it's on the level of the sales, and then he'll be in a position to utilize both effectively. So the highest leverage task for him, the thing he needs to spend most of his time doing, most of the time he's looking to improve, looking to invest the time into learning a skill, he needs to stop mentally masturbating, stop self-soothing himself by going for this easy sales tactic. Yeah, I'm so good at selling, man. I'm going to improve my selling skill, even though it's already at 90%, whereas marketing skills at 30%. He needs to be real, he needs to be raw, and he needs to allocate his time wisely to improve the skill of marketing and eventually bring more customers to his door so he can use that secondary skill of selling. I hope you're following. So this step is simple. You need to stop wasting time on this self-soothing task that's making you feel good because you're really good at this one specific subject, for example, and you need to invest and utilize the time into the tasks and the subjects and the business endeavors that you suck at and you need to improve. And finally, the third step of this 3-step protocol to find the most important tasks is to fix the weak link. And this is the most important task. This is the conclusion of the video because now you know what you need to get done. You've found the weakest link, you've freed up time to put into improving the weakest link and making it stronger and more dense. And now you need to find the tasks that are going to improve this link, improve this skill, improve the subject, etc. So you can finally make the progress in the endeavor you're trying to succeed in. So, if it's a subject, if it's education, maybe daily recall, maybe every single day you wake up, you look at your cue cards for biology because you suck at biology but you're really good at physics and the other sciences, so you look at your cue cards, you really make an active effort day to day to improve the skill of biology. Whether it's business, you suck at marketing but you're insane at selling, focus on the marketing and improve the skill day to day. Learn, watch videos, read books, test, A/B split test. This works, this doesn't work. Every single day, be actively looking to input time into business as a skill. Whether it's your physique, whether your legs are really lacking, and every single time you go to the gym, you get a chest bump because it feels good, you look good because your chest is your genetic strong point. Free up the time from hitting chest, allow yourself to hit legs harder, do legs first, so you don't get such a good chest pump because you're quite fatigued, your CNS is quite stimulated or overstimulated, but you get an insane leg progression and you're pushing the needle in terms of the overall physique because you're actively looking to improve the weak link and find the most important task. So I hope this video makes sense. That was the 3-step formula to finding the most important task, and it's to do with the weak link. Stop self-soothing, stop mentally masturbating, and find the tasks that actually need your time and attention so you can, on the whole, be a well-rounded individual who deserves the success in the endeavor you're trying to achieve. And if you're looking to get more help from me on a one-to-one level, the top link in the description will take you to my productivity package that I've curated specifically for people like you who are trying to change their life. If you're looking to make an investment and get an incredible return in terms of your productive output this year, you'll get my personal phone number, a free physical planner, and all the templates, trackers, and tools you need to turn productive this year. If that sounds interesting, check it out. I appreciate you for watching.